guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am dictating you 500 words legal dictation at the rate 80 word per minute. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1 and go. The provisions contained in the Panchayat Elections Act and rules constitute a complete code in regard to the conduct of the election, including in the matter of filing of nominations. Full stop. Neither the Panchayat Elections Act nor the rules contemplate the filing of nominations in the electronic form. Full stop. Any reform of the electoral process to permit the filing of nominations electronically would have to be carried out by a legislative amendment. Full stop. The High Court ought not to have issued a mandatory direction of this nature in the face of the specific provisions contained in the Panchayat Elections Act and rules. Full stop. Moreover, the election process had already been initiated. Full stop. The last date for the filing of nominations was over. Full stop. The directions issued by the High Court are in the teeth of the settled principle of self-restraint which governs the exercise of the jurisdiction under Article 226 once the election process commences. Full stop. Moreover, such a direction would be contrary to the provisions of Article 243 of the Constitution. Full stop. In this view of the matter, we are of the view that the High Court was in error in issuing directions for the acceptance of nominations in the electronic form. Full stop. The judgment of the High Court would accordingly have to be set aside. Full stop. While issuing notice in these proceedings on 10 May 2018, this court directed the election, which was scheduled to take place on 14 May 2018, shall proceed in accordance with law, and upon its conclusion, the results would be notified. Full stop. However, the State Election Commission was directed not to notify the results in respect of constituencies where there was no contest without the 16 leave of the court. Full stop. On 3 July 2018, when the proceedings were taken up, this court was informed by Mr. P.S. Patwalia, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the BJP West Bengal unit, that at the panchayat level, as many as 16,000 seats have remained uncontested out of a total of 48,000 seats. For the panchayat samitis, 3,000 seats out of the 9,000 were uncontested, while in the Zilla Parishad, 203 out of 825 seats were uncontested. Full stop. An affidavit has been setting out the data in relation to uncontested seats on behalf of the State Election Commission. The data placed on the record indicates that out of a total of 58,000 seats combined for Gram Panchayats, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishads, 20,000 seats have been uncontested. Full stop. 3,000 seats out of the 16,000 seats, representing 36.1% of the total seats for Gram Panchayats, have been uncontested. In the case of the Panchayat Samitis, 33.5% of seats were uncontested, while 24.6% seats for Zilla Parishads were uncontested. Full stop. There is merit in the submission that the discipline which is mandated by the provisions of the Constitution and enforced by the enabling state law on the subject must be maintained. Full stop. Any dispute in regard to the validity of the election has to be espoused by adopting a remedy which is known to law, namely through an election petition. Full stop and over. Thanks for watching the video. Guys, वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको डिक्टेशंस टाइम पर मिल सकें।